Do you want to make money on your long-term stocks while you hold them? This is Hamza with Trading Secrets. I've been trading for the last 20 years. Stocks, crypto, merchandise, real estate, you name it, I've done it. On this channel right here, I'm going to be sharing my journey and what I learned throughout the years. I'll be sharing everything with you so you guys don't have to learn the hard way. Without any further ado, let's cut to the chase. Today, we're going to be talking about selling covered calls and how to do it. I'm going to start with giving an example. For example, you hold Tesla stock or any other stock, right? You hold the stock and the stock is worth $100. You've been holding the stock and you say, hey, I want to collect some premium. So what you need to do, you go to options, calls, sell to open. So you do sell to open, and then you're going to choose a strike price and an expiration date, and it's going to show you how much premium you're going to collect. You're going to need to decide. You can do a limit order if you think the premium is not enough. Usually if it says one, that means one contract, which is 100 shares. So you need at least 100 shares for you to be able to collect premiums. So let's say you own 500 shares of a stock which is trading at $10, right? And you collect a premium of $1 at a $12 strike, and the expiration date of whatever, 1 week from now, 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks, a month. It depends on you. So you'll collect the premium if the strike price hits before that day. So end of day on the expiration date, if the stock is trading above the strike price, the options are going to be assigned automatically, and you're going to basically your shares are going to get sold at the strike price, and you're going to get the money plus you already collected the premium. Now, this is the risk, that you must be willing to let those stocks go at the strike price if it hits. Because, for example, a stock is trading at $10 and then you collect a premium of $100 and the strike price is $12. Now, if the stock runs up to 15 on the day of the expiration day and the day ends and the stock is trading at $15, you're basically selling your stocks at a $3 discount. So basically the stock was $10, you're selling it for 12 now, because now it ran up to 15, but your strike price was $12, plus you collected $100. So you got the 100 and you got the $12. So essentially you're selling the stock at $13, $12 plus the $100 premium that you collected. So the stock is pretty much $13 that you're pocketing right now, but you're still selling at a loss of $2. So this is very important. And if the price stays below the $12, you get to keep the premium, and that's just going to bring your cost average down on your long-term holdings. Another thing is that you're going to lose your position. So if the stock keeps running up, you're going to lose the position, and if it's a long-term hold, you might not be able to buy it back, right? Because now it's just going up. So either you got to buy it at a higher price or you got to wait for it to come down if it does, right? So these are the things that you want to consider before you start selling covered calls. I know a lot of people will tell you, hey, just collect premiums, but sometimes stocks just run up really fast and you don't have time to buy them back in. It happened to me a lot of times, happened to a lot of my friends. One of my friends was doing NVIDIA, and it just started running up, and then he collected the premium and it ran up so fast that he wasn't able to get back his position, right? He just waited for it to come down. It never did. So that's a risk. So understand the risks when you're selling covered calls and collecting premiums. Guys, if you find the content helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time.